Billy.
Congrats, homie.
Hopefully.
Give us a rundown.
Doe ran out there, a buck chased, came back in, came back out. He came back out, they ran right here. And he went in there and I burped him and then I thwacked him and then he ran that way. We're gonna go get him.
Great story.
Oh, yeah. I see. Stands right there. He like stopped right here, right through that tree. Then he started to take off again.
That thing is covered.
Oh yeah. Pretty confident he's done. Yeah. A lot of blood all over there.
Dang. Holy smokes, man.
I've never seen one on down.
What's that?
Is that him? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Looks like it.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Dang, holy smokes. Jeez.
He's neat.
Yeah, it is. Mm-hmm.
It bladed up top here too. He's got a big body.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, his thinking base is weird because it like comes like out into his head.
Yeah.
He's goofy.
Did he have something on the front there?
He might have busted it off. Look how big his pedicle is. Holy smokes.
I said he's about as wide as his ears.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know what he was. I had no idea.
I mean, heck,
Shooting.
seeing him chasing and stuff, coming in that close, I mean...
That's one you guys see.
I mean, he's 2.5 at least, but he got good bases on him.
Yeah,
That's
his
pretty
bases
cool.
are cooler. And pedicles are huge. Oh, we better go. I got Sasquatch in here getting ready to get after. Yeah. Good job, Bailee. Good job. Pick him up. Look at that neck. Got a big neck.
Look how big that is, yeah.
Heck yeah.
Uh-huh.